We had a fire drill in the building today, so everyone had to go out into the parking lot, and I think we all thought that felt kind of nice out there, and we're in no hurry to go back inside.
Yeah, it was just a gorgeous day. I mean, early this morning was a little cool, but by the time we had our fire drill, it was already about 60 degrees with all that sunshine, and we're even warmer now than we were just a couple of hours ago. And here's time lapse showing that beautiful blue sky. And at the tail end of this, you'll see just a couple of fair weather puffy cumulus clouds developing, the heating of the sun, but that's actually very typical for this time of the year. As we look southward down Bandle Road with our Lewiston auto camera from Signal Hill, we have a couple of fair weather clouds here and there. Also a controlled burn. This is from CC Heights. A little smoke out there. Don't be alarmed. That is a controlled burn going on the property of CC Heights. Looking southward, though, otherwise a lot of blue sky and some mild weather going on. 65 right now at the studio. The winds out of the south, 11 miles per hour. Relative humidity problematic. A very dry atmosphere, 26%. We could use a little moisture, and that would set the stage for more rain chances. Certainly that would help the environment. Eventually we will see some of that moisture come in. Eventually we'll see some rain as well, but not a lot initially, but there will be at least some chances heading into the weekend. 64 right now in Rochester. Austin, Dodge Center also 64. Albert Lee, it seems a common number, a popular number. Mason City 64 and Winona, but across a little warmer, 69 there. A little sun, a couple of clouds in Rochester, 64 degrees. Dew point only 26. That's pretty dry air. Winds out of the southwest at 13 miles per hour. Air pressure is steady. Warm sunshine today on our way to the upper 60s. That's where we were yesterday. Today, a couple of extra clouds. A little more of a breeze. Otherwise, very similar situation. Tomorrow, extra clouds and shower chances. There's that rain we're talking about. Not a lot of it. Probably the best chance in the next week or so. But here's future track radar. Just a few fair weather clouds for us. There are showers to the west. They will fall apart as they run into this dry air mass under high pressure. But eventually, more energy will come in this increasingly busy pattern. And so we'll have at least some rain to talk about this weekend to go with some sun. Still some mild weather. We've had about 70% less rainfall than would be normal for this portion of the season. We've had normal amount of rain from April 1st would be 5+ inches. We've had only 1.5 inches. We normally have a lot more than this in the spring. So it is very dry. The atmosphere is very dry as well. And so we need some changes, and I think we'll get some of that in time over the next week or so. 64 in Rochester, it's 69 in Green Bay. Even Minot, Fargo, well into the 60s. You know, a couple of days ago, we were all struggling to get in the 50s at this hour. International Falls, 68 there. And look at these dew point temperatures. Very dry air, 20s and 30s. That's pretty dry stuff. The entire region dealing with that, all the way down to the mid and southern Mississippi Valley. A lot of sunshine today, a bit of a southwest breeze. 68 the expected high. We'll be in the 50s this evening, eventually falling back into the mid-40s overnight, and then right back to the low and mid-60s tomorrow, though there will be extra clouds tomorrow. Temperatures over the next several days looking warmer, 60s, and then we start seeing some 70s starting Monday, and that'll be the story for most of next week. But here's Future Track watching that dry weather with high pressure today. Bit of a south breeze, occasional sun, and some upper 60s. A few degrees cooler tomorrow. Clouds begin to come in for the morning hours. We'll have some scattered showers running in that high pressure. Eventually, we will see the showers win out with a chance of maybe up to a quarter or a tenth of an inch, I should say, in the way of rainfall. That'll be for primarily the afternoon and early evening, and then some sun on Saturday. A little more energy from the west skirts the area to the south. Small rain chances Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Best chance again over the next several days will be tomorrow, starting during the afternoon hours and going into the evening, and then drying out after midnight tomorrow night. So we have rain chances in the coming days, but sparse amounts of rain Saturday and Sunday, and then maybe some thunderstorms with a better chance with a little more humidity of rolling in by next Wednesday. You see the numbers, they are indicative of something warmer and something maybe a little more humid and more May or June-like with those 70s for next week. But today, mostly sunny, a few fair weather clouds. South winds up to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, 44 with south winds up to 10 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, a bit of a south breeze up to 20 miles per hour. Some shower chances mostly in the afternoon. 63. 7-day forecast. Small rain chances, a little sun, some 60s over the weekend. And then some showers and storms and 70s for next week, Jess. So things do look warmer and eventually a little wetter as well, because things are getting awfully dry and they give everybody a chance to not have to use a sprinkler as much.
Yeah, we will need the rain. Until then, we'll just enjoy this lovely day.
Very mellow weather.